Hi, I'm Caralyn House. I'm the baking program director here at Wake Tech. And today I'm going to show you a couple things that are easy that you can do for your holiday baking. What I did is I made one dough, chocolate chip cookie dough, but before I added the chips, I divided my dough up 3 ways. One way, I added white chocolate chips and dried cranberries or craisins to it. You can also throw in macadamia nuts if you want. Another way, I added chocolate chips, but then I also added some cinnamon and some instant coffee, about a good heaping teaspoon of each. And this gives the dough a really nice frappuccino type flavor, kind of a grown-up cookie. So it's still a chocolate chip, but it's stepped up a little bit. For the last one, I just added pecans because that's what I like. And I'm going to, when they are baking, I'm going to add some kosher salt to them. So it's kind of that salted chocolate chip cookie. Now, another tip that you can do is make your cookie dough in advance and scoop them, freeze them, then transfer the little scoops to a Ziploc bag. Then you've got cookie dough ready to go and ready to bake fresh whenever you need it. So something else that is helpful is if you chill the cookie dough before you bake it. So what I like to do is scoop the dough, and you can put them kind of close together. It won't hurt it. And then we're going to put them in the fridge or, again, the freezer and let them chill for about 15 minutes. Now, what you could also do is just space them out the way you're going to bake them. But most of us don't have a lot of room in our refrigerators for a lot of cookie pans. So that's why I usually put them kind of close together. And I'll move them or spread them out later. Halfway through your baking, pull them out, bang them down. Whoops. Give them a little sprinkle of salt while they're still wet. So, and here we have our platter of cookies. The grown-up mocha cinnamon, the white chocolate cranberries, and the chocolate chip with a little sea salt to finish them. You can also, of course, just make plain old chocolate chip cookies, but here's the way to make one dough and diversify it with some different options.